Today's video might surprise you because something as simple as when you drink water can affect your sleep, your heart, your kidneys, and even your morning energy levels. Many people drink water late at night thinking it's healthy. But doctors are now warning that drinking water after 8 p.m. may actually disrupt your body more than you think. So today, we'll break down the real medical reasons behind this. And remember, for more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. Number 1. Your kidneys need rest at night. During the day, your kidneys filter waste, toxins, and excess minerals from your blood. But after sunset, especially after 8 p.m., your kidneys naturally slow down their filtration rate. When you drink too much water late at night, your kidneys must stay active longer. Filtration increases at a time they're supposed to rest. This may increase nighttime urination and disturb your natural hormonal rhythm. Doctors call this nocturnal diuresis, meaning your body produces extra urine at night. For people in the USA and Europe who already deal with sleep problems, high stress, or kidney issues, this late-night fluid load can make things worse. Number 2. Drinking late causes frequent nighttime bathroom trips. This is the most common problem. When you drink water after 8 p.m., it increases the volume of fluid in your bladder. This forces you to wake up at least 1 to 3 times at night. This condition is known as nocturia. Nighttime waking breaks your sleep cycle, disturbs REM sleep, increases morning fatigue, raises stress and anxiety, weakens memory and focus. Research shows that even one disrupted sleep cycle can reduce next-day concentration by up to 30%. So, if you're tired every morning and you drink water late at night, this might be the reason. Number 3. It can trigger high blood pressure in some people. This one is surprising, but medically true. Your body uses a hormone called ADH, antidiuretic hormone, at night. Its job is to reduce urine production so you can sleep peacefully. But when you drink water after 8 p.m., ADH function gets interrupted. Your body retains more sodium. This may increase blood volume, which can temporarily raise blood pressure. This is especially important for adults over 40, people with hypertension in USA, Europe, individuals with heart disease, people with sleep apnea. So, if you have blood pressure issues, avoid drinking water right before bed. Number 4. It affects heart patients more than others. For patients with heart failure, arrhythmia, edema, swelling in legs, weak heart pumping capacity, drinking too much water at night can worsen fluid overload. Your heart has to work harder when there is more blood volume to circulate. And this strain often becomes worse at night because the body's natural rhythm slows down. Doctors recommend drinking most of your daily water in the morning, afternoon, early evening, and avoiding heavy fluid intake 2 to 3 hours before sleep. Number 5. Late-night water can cause acid reflux. You might not expect this, but drinking water right before lying down can push stomach acid upward. This happens because a full stomach plus lying position increases pressure. Water expands the stomach temporarily. Acid can travel up the esophagus, causing burning sensation or coughing at night. Many USA, European adults experience acid reflux, especially after age 35. So drinking water earlier in the evening can help avoid this. Number 6. It weakens your deep sleep cycle. Your body enters its deepest healing stage during slow-wave sleep. If you wake up multiple times to urinate, this cycle breaks and your body loses hormone balance, immune support, muscle repair. Brain detoxification. The brain has a cleaning system called the glymphatic system, and it works best during deep sleep. When sleep is interrupted, the brain cannot remove metabolic waste effectively. This is linked to morning headaches, foggy brain, low motivation, higher stress, poor mood. So avoiding water after 8 p.m. helps protect your deep sleep cycle. Number 7. The best time to drink water instead. Doctors recommend drink 1 to 2 glasses upon waking. Drink a glass before each meal. Drink most of your daily water before 6 p.m. Drink late water intake between 6 to 7 p.m. Reduce or stop after 7:30 to 8 p.m. This supports better kidney function, stable blood pressure, healthy sleep, better digestion, strong morning energy. If you feel thirsty at night, take 1 or 2 small sips only. Conclusion: water is essential, but timing matters. Drinking too much water late at night can disturb sleep, stress your kidneys, raise nighttime blood pressure, trigger acid reflux, cause morning tiredness, and disrupt your natural hormone rhythm. For most adults in the USA and Europe, doctors recommend avoiding heavy water. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.